Assalamu alaikum, Nadeem Naik, Straight Talk United Kashmir. Behind me is the ugly Indian consulate here. Uh, Business here is as usual. Temperature has fallen here. It's first time in a superpower country. Uh, all Texans are suffering. It has never been like this kind of inclement weather where the temperature has gone below freezing and the whole power electricity stopped. Uh, some places did not have gas, drinking water is not available. And you know what? I was thinking, we have suffered only few days. But if you really look at the plight of my Kashmiri nation, that is far more worse than this. An insult to injury is that they have been caged by the Prime Minister Modi's government. Raping of the women, kidnapping of the children, blinding people's eye, incarceration of untold number of people, close to 100,000 plus people being killed. And this is a warning to Prime Minister Modi's. We are going to prosecute you. We get freedom today, we are going to prosecute you. And even if you're gone from this world, we will posthumously, we will pursue you and we will file charges on you and all the predecessors of the Indian government. This cannot go on. Our Kashmiri nation is suffering. And as usual, I'm here. You will read this thing backward. India stopped genocide, free Kashmir. And then the 72 years brutal brutality in Kashmir. And of course, the favorite is I will keep calm when my Kashmir is free. Free Kashmir now, free Kashmir. You know, we have to struggle peacefully. But there comes a time in nation's history that the struggle takes a different tangent. I hate happen, and I'm going to give you a shot here of the Indian consulate general sign as you see. Nothing new for all you folks who have been with me since March of 2019 and witnessing this here. My protest is ongoing. Continue to protest, to pursue them and take them into the International Court of Justice. This demonic government of India cannot cage my people. Kashmiri nation is suffering. I just realized that only just a few days without power, water, and this gas, we think that the whole world is crumbling on us, that we lost our way of living here. But this despicable government of Prime Minister Modi is full of air. Get out of Kashmir! Get out of Kashmir! Get out of Kashmir! So we'll continue to bring peace. How can they cage the people? How can these ugly Indians shows no decency? That how did they get freedom from the British? How did the Indian got freedom from the British? And what is my Kashmiri nation asking? Freedom. How can they cage my people? Will not leave you alone. And all these despicable people who are irrational, illogical, shameful Indians don't understand. I only appeal to decent Indians. What is freedom? What is this false democracy of India? Call themselves Bharati or whatever they can call them. How did they cannot capture my nation. The nation will win freedom sooner or later, and we will prosecute. We will prosecute. We have prosecuted the Nazi people, this Hitler reincarnation, and the Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Modi is a reincarnation of Satan. And who is a Satan? Who is an enemy of peace? Shameful Indians cannot have a decent dialogue. I challenge them on my radio show. Come and talk to me. Nobody does. How can they? How many United Nations resolutions against India to hold plebiscite in the Kashmiri nation? Peace. They only know peace when we will show them with some other power. We hate to do that. I am a peace activist and I will seek all peaceful means. We will change the course of history. We will win freedom and we will put the whole world to witness this. How can get out of Kashmir? Get out of Kashmir! Right. Get out of Kashmir. What are your million troops doing in there? Run away. They run away. All right, my brothers and sisters and peace lovers all over the world. We have to bring peace. We will continue to pursue peace. And we will show them. We will show them that how we are going to encounter we are doing everything by peaceful ways. We will continue to do that. Nothing will deter us. We will show the false democracy of India to the world, the ugly face of the Indian government, the Prime Minister government. Get out of Kashmir! Can't face truth, run away. They run away. They will keep running away. But Satan will be pursued. We shall conquer. We shall survive. We will win peace. We will have freedom and will continue to do so. My brothers and sisters, peace lovers all over the world, share this message of peace and love, and let's get Kashmir become a free nation. Enough of the suffering. 73 years and counting are too long. This has to come to a stop. We have to bring peace there. There cannot be peace without an independent nation of Kashmir. Kashmiris are just as human as the rest of the population of India. We will win freedom. Peace is coming. Stay strong. I love you all and spread this word. Thank you so much and continue watching my shows.